about selectors. What is selectors? It's nothing. So whenever we do UI automations, okay, if I say UI automation like in a website, okay, let me go here, go to this Amazon website, okay. So if I say UI automation, we are going to interact with the user interface application, okay, user interface application. It should be either web or Windows application, okay. So if I want to automate a specific application, like going typing here something or clicking on the button, all these particular elements, it's generate selectors, okay. Selector in the sense the backend attributes, okay. If I say what is attributes, then right click on your browser, go to inspect, and these are we used to call attributes, okay. Attributes like name, ID, class, so those are we used to call attributes, okay. Selector attributes. In UiPath, there is a activities, okay. There are a lot of activities to automate with the UI application, okay. And you can see on the browser these are the classic one, and if you enable the modern activities, and you will see a lot of activities, okay. So this is this we can use both the Windows application and web applications, okay. And let's say if I drag and drop click activity, and it will also produce a selector. Now you see there is no selector captured here in the target. And if I click on this indicate screen, so before I want to drag and drop the parent, okay. So this particular activities, it will not work without this parent, okay. Then if I click inside, first I need to indicate my web browser, okay, and the web browser also captured a selector, okay. You see here, go to this unified application target and click on this particular page selector. You see here, this is we used to call as selectors, okay. This is the inside you see these are elements, okay, such as title, ID, class, something like that. Here we have a app chrome.exe and title, okay. And this is captured by the this particular activity, okay, automatically captured. And if I go and use this click activity, even it is also all the activity, it will produce select as well. So let's go and select this search icon, and then you see here these are selectors, okay. I tell you what is fuzzy selector and stick selector later. As of now, understand selector. What is selector? Selector is nothing but whenever we use UiPath activity, UI automation activities, it will automatically generate particular application elements, okay, that we used to say attributes or elements, okay. And as of now, understand simply what is selectors, okay. Then click on confirm. So as you know, in the click also it's captured selectors, okay. And even if you drag and drop some type into or anything, okay, even get text, if you drag and drop get text, and if you click on any particular place, let's say here beauty and personal care, and click here, see here it's produced these selectors, okay. And here you see Windows selector, and these are the windows, okay. So it says online shopping site India, shop online for mobiles, books, watch, shoes and more, Amazon.in. This title may change, okay. So then if you think that if the title is going to be going to change, you can add here wildcards, okay. That is, as you know, what is wildcard in a selector. That is a wildcard. While there are two wildcards, one is asterisk and question mark. You can replace asterisk here. So now you see in this page, I'm trying to get this beauty and personal care. So you see there are lot of duplicate elements are available, okay. So then in this case, if you use the old classic activity, it may fail, or we need to modify our selectors. So here I can use my anchor. Okay, hey, the beauty, I selected the beauty and personal care, and you are telling that there are many duplicate elements on this page, and can you give some more strong enough confirmation to identify beauty personal care. So what I am doing, so I am going to click on this. I cannot click on this because this title, it may change, keep on. And can I, because the beauty and personal care located near by the search icon. If I click anchor, and it will say, okay, so I got a good place. So your beauty and personal care, the word sit next to before search icon. So you see in this selection option, and here you see window selector, that's fine. And the target, what is my target? My target is, okay, this one, this particular beauty and personal care. And the anchor which I place, that submit button, okay, this input button. So if you think that, oh, hey, I see here the something class and tag parent ID, I want to know even I want to confirm, I want to give even more strong selectors. It's like add up, okay. So because I don't feel that this is not enough to identify this particular place. Okay, then that is the case. What I have to do, just click on this open UI Explorer, and then you will get a window. Okay, you see this window, and here so you will see all the your particular browser, that particular place elements here. Okay, property and the visual tree also. So here you see these are the things, it's captured by the bot, but here you see there are mm, other items also here. Okay, so beauty and personal care AA name, okay, it's already selected. And so this parent is okay, the parent ID, I think class ID only it was showing there. And you can, okay, here you can select visible inner text. Okay, so we can see on the page, right, visible inner text, you can click this one. Now I hope this click on validate, it's validating. Okay, so because I'm going to click on beauty and personal care, so here no need to change anything as a dynamic, because I always wanted to click on this beauty and personal care. You make it something strong enough selector to identify that particular place. Now you see here added beauty and personal care, so it means this one. Okay, then click confirm. So this is how we used to give one we used to modify the selectors to identify the particular place with a more accuracy. Okay, this is all about selectors. Okay, I need out.